Good morning, everyone. Watching MGM, one of my other favorite stocks to trade. I haven't brought you anything in a long time. So here I am again, Lola Claire on Webull paper trading, watching for a buy on MGM. So it's now at 1845. Let's see. We're always going to have $2,000 in equity. So for 1845, 4 to 1. If we have over $2,000 in Webull, we can get our 4 to 1. So we can get 434 shares. We're going to set up for 400. And also I just want to talk about for beginner traders, you've been hearing about buying on the dip. So this pattern is set up for a nice dip. I'm waiting for a dip back to VWAP and then a pop. So I'm just waiting here. There it's coming. VWAP is at 18 something. Let's see if we can move that out of the way. No, we can't move that out of the way. I can't. Okay, 1831 is VWAP. It keep coming back to VWAP, but I'm liking that pattern. So, and if you're not seeing this pattern, this is what I'm talking about. Push this up just, not that one. All right, let me just go back and draw this again. This is what I'm seeing. So what I'm actually looking at here is that it's making higher highs, higher lows. So, okay, we bounce on VWAP. Now we should be getting our pop. Let's see. It did bounce off VWAP while I was talking. I want to see another pop there. And we can get in. Let's just get in on market. All right, so I hope everybody's doing well. This channel is geared toward beginner traders or just having a little, need a little help in making money, getting up there. And we're using $2,000 in equity all the time and using Webull paper trading because it's the best paper trading. So they've pushed it back down, possibly to fib here. Because when you have two technical analysis like that, traders tend to want to go to their VWAP was higher, but they can get a little bit more if they go to fib. And that's why I use both. So for those of you joining me for the first time, this is what I do. Let me just delete all of it. And for those of you who have been here before, please ignore this. I know I go over it all the time, but because I get new subscribers constantly, I just want to make sure that they understand what's going on. Wow, there's an M pattern here on the daily. No, that got me a little scared. All right, but VWAP is trending up, so I'll hold on for a while. All right, so in the morning, I find stocks that I am familiar with, as in the trading pattern, as in strength, as in what this company is about. And actually I find it from the night before, but then I go on every morning and I curtail it. I may find like maybe 9 or so, and I'm using FinViz. I have the paid version, so it doesn't have all that advertisement and it gives me a little bit more. So I use FinViz overnight to find all these top gainers, all these stocks that are in my scanner and see what they're doing. I go through and find the patterns that I'm familiar with, and patterns is how I trade. I know what with a certain amount of certainty what is going to happen, and I just use those to trade with. So I come on here after I've found the stocks that I want to trade, and I go into the daily time frame, and I put in my Fibonacci retracement. So it's this drop down button here, go to Fibonacci retracement, and because it already gives you the price point of the lowest candle, I start from bottom to the highest price point, and then I go over to my minute and I do the same. So I will click on the pencil here, Fibonacci retracement, go from bottom all the way to top, and just to differentiate it, I change this to this lighter green. All right, so there we have our drop and a pop. So what I'm looking for, I like my 38.2. This is where I usually take my exit, whether I'm going up or down. But this is a strong stock. It should be rebounding quite a bit. So I might just hold for a while. There is also support resistance right here. If you can see, let me change this to white so we can see. If you want to change the color, that's what you do. You just click on the line, or if you already have it, then you just change that. All right, so if you can see, here is resistance, resistance, support. There's quite a bit right there. There is even one right here. Support, resistance, support, resistance. So if you want to take it closer to VWAP and Fib, I'm sorry, to Fib and support resistance line, then that would be the bet. But I kind of like this one because it gives me a little bit more. There's a lot of consolidation within this area, but you know what? Better safe than sorry with what's going on with COVID, and most of the larger states are now surging again. And with this drop over the weekend, you know, we want to be safe. So we might get out on Fib, we might get out on the earliest support resistance, but it depends on how strong this stock is. I'll just hold for a while. So we're in it with 400 shares, and our average price in was $18.36. Right now it's at $18.49, so it does look strong. I am holding. We're up $50, now $62, and we've been in this trade for 7 minutes. So let's hope that this thing goes up. All right, so now it's been a very, very crazy time to trade. Lots of money to be made because all these stocks are low and they're bouncing back. I like that there's a gap fill here, and if you know what a gap fill is, this is the gap from where it dropped to right here. That's a gap fill. So okay, now we broke through our fib line. We're touching on our support resistance. That's giving us 118. I like the power of this. So let's see if we can get up to our next support resistance, which is the one I said I liked. All right, that's the next line there. I like that it has a little bit more power here. That's 1874. So let's just go ahead and sell that at 1874. Now, some people may say, you know, why are you jumping out of the trade? But it's best to get out and refigure things out instead of staying in there and losing your money. So I like to get out when I said I'm getting out, because you have to have your set of rules and you have to stick to your rules. That's the major thing in trading, you know. And you have to have discipline. Okay, there we go. See, that thing just fell back down. That's why I like to get out on my first exit. But there is some power in this, so I'm hoping that we can get it up to that support resistance. Let's see if everybody else are looking at it. That's actually where it went, to this one here. But I like the other one, so let's see if we can get it up there. We could have gotten out and got back in, but because I know you guys have, well, for beginner traders and traders with low equity, you are trading below the PDT rule. So it's best to, not utilize your day trade if you can get a little bit more and if the stock looks strong enough. So we did get a pullback, and now we're pushing back up. So we have our set sell order in at 1874. Let's see what kind of pullback we get here. If this doesn't look strong enough, then we can just take our exit. But there's a pullback. I like this third candle, not liking the fourth candle. All right, so if you guys like this video, if you like what I do here, I trade live, so you're actually seeing what's happening. I encourage you to go ahead and like and subscribe. It really helps me out, makes me feel a lot better about trading and showing you my strategy. Okay, so we failed right there, but VWAP is still trending up, so let's hang on and see what happens. If this breaks this fib line, which is my 38 fib line, then I'm going to be a little bit worried, but I do want to take advantage of this morning surge here. Okay, I did not put back in my trend line. All right, so it's breaking. All right, there's a fail right there. Let's see if it's only gonna get down to there's a major support resistance right there. Let's paint that in orange. Because I'm really liking this support resistance, but it only went to this one here, which is pretty good. I mean, we could have gotten out there, but I really like this, and it is strong, so hoping for a bounce back up to that line. 1874. All right, here we go. Let's try to put that back to where we had it. 1874. All right, right there. All right, let's see if we're gonna get that up there. Because I like that it tested VWAP. VWAP is curving up. This thing has a gap fill to consider, so these are the criterias that we're watching that's making our decision here. So we're still in this trade 14 minutes, and just hoping for a nice exit at 1874 there. We're now 1863, so just about 11 cents to go. I'm just making sure that I didn't just put my line in. I want to just make sure that I have it at the right spot. So I'm just looking at all these candlesticks. Are they hitting it? And where are they hitting it? So I'm just going across, making sure I have it set at the right spot. Yeah, so 1875 looks like the best spot, but still gonna hold for 1874. That's okay. Holy moly, my EAT is moving like, wow. This is my just a tip here, guys. This is my most favorite stock I trade. I scalp this, and I also swing this stock. Look at that. This is why I love this stock. Ooh, All right, and this is my next favorite. Just to give you a tip. Okay, all right, so we're out of this. We're out of the trade. It's now at 1876. So there it is. It hit on my line. Didn't quite make it to fib, but we're up $150. It's now 17 minutes in the trade. And yeah, we are done. We're done for the day. All right, so I'm going to just make this short because I am in a ton of stocks right now. And I just want to go ahead and just concentrate on that. But I wanted to just bring you something. And I want to also just give you a tip, that even though I may show you my strategy and you may see it live here making money, it's also good for you to go ahead and practice on your own. Use Webull, the paper trading, and my link is below. I'll put my link below for you to sign up with Webull, and you can get I think up to 2 free shares, free stocks. And yeah, even though I show you my strategy, it looks easy enough. You have to have discipline because 90% of trading is depending on your emotions, your discipline. So if you see something where you say, okay, I'm going to get out here, I'm going to get in here, I'm going to wait until this hits this, and then I'm going to get in, do that and don't deviate from that. Stick to your rules, be disciplined, and you will come out positive. Because look at this, we said we're going to get out, we got out, now the stock is tanking again. All right. So yeah, be disciplined and just follow your rules and stick to it. You may get out and say, oh my gosh, I could have stayed in and made more money. Or, yeah, that could happen. Or you could stay in and lose a lot more, lose everything that you just made. So stick to your rules and be disciplined. So I do also have the Robinhood link on there for beginner traders. That way you can start small with 1 share, 2 share, just to learn the market, just to be in there and strengthen your emotions when you trade. So I will put also my Robinhood link down there for you to see. And my new website is up. It's actually not 100% new, but it's done much better, much more professional. Still have some stuff to add in. But yeah, my new website is up there, and I'm going to put that link below. It used to be converttosmart.wordpress.com, but now it's just converttosmart.com. All right, and there'll be links in there if you want to contact me, you want to ask me any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer, and so that I can help you, because I've created this channel just to give back to the trading community, just to help anybody who needs, to understand how trading works, how to make money, and how to be more efficient and profitable trading. So that's what this channel is about. I will try, and I'm going to try and make a promise to you. I'm going to try and get on here at least Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Usually I don't try to trade on Friday because I don't like to hold stocks over the weekend. But I will try to do that Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you can look out for my videos. So go ahead and click subscribe, hit that notification bell, and click on all so that you can see whenever I upload a video. All right, if you notice there that my white line here, see, I made a good choice in finding this support resistance, and I try to get it, through a lot of candles, as much candles as I can, so I can get a very good support resistance line. And now that's why this stock is just right on there. And now look at that, it's on fib. It's on fib, and that's another reason why these are the things that I use. VWAP, if you notice, this thing just keep hitting on VWAP, because VWAP, value weighted average price, is a very good technical analysis that a lot of people use. A lot of people trade VWAP, so it kept hitting on VWAP and bouncing off. So I use VWAP. I found the support resistance level and stocks gravitate to that. Fibonacci retracement, another one that helps you to get in and get out. Now, I will put my disclaimer there. This is what I use. It's not what you have to use. The results may not be the same, but see if it helps you. I'm just giving my advice. This is not anything of me telling you what to do, but just my advice. And if you want technical analysis and something to help you trade, this has helped me over the years that I've been trading, and I'm just hoping it helps you. So again, this stock hit on my support resistance, drop back down, now hit on fib and drop back down. So that's why I use all these. All right, again, so like, subscribe, and share. Get your free shares, 2 free stocks on Webull, and I think 1 free stock on Robinhood if you sign up. Both of my links are down there. And take advantage of the paper trading. Learn how to trade. All right, guys, so I will try to get back on here on Wednesday. So take care and all the best for today. Bye-bye.